2020 has been a terrible year for everyone.
जब सेट पे थे तो काम तो वैसे ही हो रहा था जैसे इनफैक्ट मुझे लगता है कि और थोड़ा एफिशिएंटली हो गया काम.
Love. That's like the toughest subject to make on because it's the most done subject also.
साइनी खेर एंड गुलशन देवैया. फिल्म अनपॉज्ड की टीम का ये विटी और कैंडिड अंदाज नजर आया इन एन एक्सक्लूसिव इंटरेक्शन विद Zoom. सबसे पहले फिल्म के डायरेक्टर राज ने बताया अबाउट दिस यूनिक फिल्म एंड द आइडिया बिहाइंड इट.
The idea was that we supposed to make a short on love, and that's like the toughest subject to make on because it's the most done subject also on. So and something hopeful and happy and uplifting. Hopeful and uplifting is what it is, like new beginnings. So that's like the pretty much add to the challenge because pandemic was nothing hopeful or challenging or happy out there. So we wanted to find a story that was still had a quirky take on the whole thing, still had a sense of humor about the whole thing, maybe looking at ourselves maybe with a smile this time, even though we're going through the same crap. It's like idea is to still have a fun take on it.
वहीं फिल्म के एक्टर्स गुलशन देवैया और साइनी खेर ने रिवील किया कम क्रू मेंबर्स के साथ काम करने में उन्हें नहीं हुई प्रॉब्लम.
जब सेट पे थे तो काम तो वैसे ही हो रहा था जैसे इनफैक्ट मुझे लगता है कि और थोड़ा एफिशिएंटली हो गया काम. आई डोंट नो, मे बी I'd like to hear the perspectives of the directors also on this one. बट मुझे लगा कि कहीं पे ज्यादा एफिशिएंटली काम होने लगा. लोग थोड़े कम थे तो मे बी बिकॉज ऑफ दैट आई थिंक पीपल वर लाइक on their toes and getting things done quickly. I think the preparation जो शुरुआती preparation होती है, I think that was also done better. Of course, ये 3-4 दिन का shoot था तो I'm sure like it's a little easier. But अगर 20-25 दिन का अगर shoot करता होता तो I think it would have been more difficult. But I think वो slowly people are figuring out how to get on with our lives and how to still keep doing what we do. So सेट में जब मैं काम कर रहा था तो एक बार काम शुरू हो गया था तो बिल्कुल फर्क नहीं पड़ा कि सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग है, सब लोगों ने मास्क पहन रखा है, पीपीई सूट्स चल रहा है, सैनिटाइज कर रहे हैं इसको, बिल्कुल फर्क नहीं पड़ा बिकॉज काम बहुत सही ढंग से चल रहा था और बहुत मजा आ रहा था काम करने में.
I didn't feel too much of a difference on. जरूर कम लोग थे पर ऐसे नहीं था कि there weren't enough people, so there were more than enough people to do whatever was needed. So I feel कि वो तो I didn't feel that there are there's a shortage of anything at all. कई बार क्या होता है कि मैं बहुत मेरी जो पहली फिल्म थी there were almost, I mean it's good to employ so many people but there were almost 14 ADs. तो 3 ADs हमें बस एक वैन से लेकर, मतलब हम किंडरगार्टन के बच्चे तो है नहीं, वैन से लोकेशन तक पहुंच ही जाएंगे. So there were these small things where I feel there were too many people on set which were not needed, which I felt that maybe, which is a good thing, you'd learn to make it a smaller crew and I didn't feel the need for more people when we were shooting on Glitch.
साथ ही इन दोनों एक्टर्स ने बताया how 2020 has been a terrible year for everyone.
Well, 2020 has been a terrible year for everyone. There isn't anyone who's living in a pandemic. It's something that no one has seen in so many generations. So it's been a terrible year. Personally, for me, it wasn't very bad because I was living with my parents. I had a comfortable house, and I had the comforts and of just staying with my parents. So I didn't have too much to complain.
शिकंजी बनाना मैंने सीख लिया तो I don't want. Yeah, it's been quite like a terrible year for everybody, the whole world. So what else can I say? Some more terrible than I would say that मैं थोड़ा सा privileged हूँ कि इतना terrible नहीं था मेरे लिए. But there are so many things. There's a lot of time चीजों के बारे में सोचने के लिए because अचानक से सब कुछ थम गया है, रुक गया है. जो आप करना चाहते हो वो कर नहीं सकते, जो आपने सोचा था वो कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. So it gave me a lot of time to reflect and introspect और कई चीजों के बारे में clarity मिली मुझे और कई चीजों के बारे में अभी भी मैं सोच विचार कर रहा हूँ, विचार विमर्श कर रहा हूँ. So it gives you a lot of time.
अपनी फिल्म की OTT रिलीज को लेकर फिल्म की पूरी टीम है काफी ज्यादा एक्साइटेड और यहाँ जब फिल्म के डायरेक्टर्स राज एंड DK से पूछा गया अबाउट गवर्नमेंट्स न्यू गाइडलाइंस फॉर OTT, तो उनका कहना था इवन विथ रिस्ट्रिक्शन OTT पर अच्छे कंटेंट को क्रिएट किया जा सकता है।
See, we've been making movies, right, for 10 years, and we have been making the kind of movies we want to make. We made a Show in the City, we made a Go Goa Gone, and lastly we made Stree also, and we've been making the films we want. It's not like, see, we are not, and when we started making OTT also, we didn't just jump and say ki abhi there is no censorship or abhi there is no control on this, so let's do something crazy. Was not the intention. We are still going with the story we want to tell, and it's not like we were doing something crazy out there. And so even in this, I would say let us wait and see. Let us wait and see what the directives are, and hopefully it won't be something that will curb creativity, I would say. Yeah, I've always maintained that certification is good for a society, that it should be good.
But instead of hoping for the worst, let's see if, because things have changed and where everybody's moved on to producing a lot of different kind of content and different kind of platforms and stuff. I'm sure that everybody will be aware, will keep that in mind as they make guidelines and stuff about how the content can be on screen, on TV and all that stuff, because it's a new world, and content is also new. So I'm sure it's not like, you put the same old guidelines on everything else. So I'm just hoping, I'm being optimistic about it.
Well, filmmakers और creators हैं hopeful कि गवर्नमेंट की गाइडलाइंस की वजह से उनके क्रिएटिव फ्रीडम पर ज्यादा असर नहीं पड़ेगा और वो इसी तरह के इंटरेस्टिंग कंटेंट्स बनाते रहेंगे।